not an easy day at work today, so decided to road PCN along with Timothy. You know, once in a while, never forget your roots. Think about why you started cycling. If the whole idea is to have fun, see the world, then sometimes it's good to slow down your paces, look around you, and I would like to say the key is to be present. So far, this is my second day doing this, transiting seamlessly from commute back to riding indoors. Not bad, not bad. Feeling so far so good. It's approximately 10 days more to our trip. Fingers crossed, hope I can keep this up. As mentioned, the plan is to commute daily as much as the weather permits. And then once I come home, I'm gonna transit seamlessly to the indoor bike. With this, there's really a few perks that I gain out of it. The one obvious one is time. My day job don't surround the idea of riding a bike. If I can maximize my time, make the training efficient, and tie into my routine, I think this should secure a better outcome.